Hi everyone, welcome to Stunner Share. So today in this video, what we are going to see is the Nifty and Bank Nifty post-market analysis. So here comes the Nifty and Bank Nifty post-market analysis. Like every time, we will just check the levels of what has been shared and let's see what has happened. So if the price closes above 11,730, then any pullback can be a buying opportunity. So let me keep the yes. Okay. So the price closed above 11,730. So rest of the two things are not valid. So any pullback is going to be a buying opportunity. So any pullback is a buying opportunity. And here also we have seen a pullback, and then it started moving sideways or anyways upside. So this pullback, if anyone would have got entered 11,784, then they would have got some at least 50 to 60 points. So with respect to CPR, what has happened is like the candles opened with a gap up and it is above the previous day high as well as the R1, and it took the support. It came for a pullback and took a support at previous day R1 and then started moving upwards towards R2. So with respect to CPR, with respect to price action, any pullback is a buying opportunity, and the same has happened. And now let's move on to Bank Nifty and let's see what has happened. So this is the Bank Nifty. So what Bank Nifty we have said is like if the price closes over 25,200. So let me keep. So this is the 25,200 line. So the other twos are not valid. So the price closed about 25,200. Any pullback is going to be a buying opportunity, and the same way the pullback came and it is a buying opportunity. If anyone have entered at this high at least, then 25,400 to the let me forget about the last candle. Let me take at least this candle. It is 25,672, nearly 272 points movement has been seen in Bank Nifty. With respect to CPR, it also opened with a gap up and also above the previous day high as well as the R1, and it has moved till R2. So it was a very clean and neat performance by Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, which has been shared yesterday. I hope the levels which I'm sharing is useful. At least tell me that the levels are useful or not, so that I can proceed with that day by day. Otherwise, if you guys feel like the levels are not that much good, then what I would do is like I will at least stop spending time with the sharing levels in the Telegram channel. So yesterday I gave the call of ICICI Bank and I told it can be taken as a swing also, but I closed it in an intraday basis itself. But still, see, it has went till the target of upside of 447. So whosoever has folded the trade, they would have got some good profit. And even in the previous video, like Dow theory video, which I've explained over here also I told that ICICI Bank I was expecting around 428 to 428, and that was already crossed. And then today Reliance was in focus, but it then finally did not move that much expected. And I also know that there was a CPR, but I thought it will pass through, but it did not. It just faced the resistance over there and started moving down. And that is where I exited over this side. So it was a good move, good pick from my side. And I also got some 1.5% move, but still I booked at the cost to cost basis only because of the trail itself. And then the Bajaj Finance and the Hero Motor was in my radar. So this is the Bajaj Finance trade. So I was placing an entry at around 3470. So 3470 is around here. So 3470 is around here, like above this candle's high. But unfortunately, what happened is like it started breaking the previous day low. Then I thought, okay, let's avoid this Bajaj Finance, and I thought of canceling the order, and I canceled the order. But after I canceled the order, see, I would have canceling Bajaj Finance. It is around 1120. So this candle, which was like 1115 to 1130 candle, and ultimately I got fooled. I should have waited. So if I had have waited here, then 3470 my entry would have triggered, and high made is 3520. Nearly 50 points movement I would have got, but that is also missed. So how did I pick this trade? Is like basically what I expected is like this candle opened between the CPR as well as R1. So what I expected is like it should come for a pullback and then move up. But these many candles, I expected that it won't break the current day low and then fly back. But when this candle broke the current day low, I should have at least waited for a close. But my mistake, I did not wait for a close, and ultimately it paid for me. And it did not close below the current day low and again started moving. So my analysis, my expectations all were same, but I got fooled myself. And then the another one is Hero MotoCorp. So Hero MotoCorp also the same mistake I have done. So Hero MotoCorp, it is an inside narrow CPR as well as the inside CPR, and it was a clear cut move, and I got an entry nearly above this candle's high. So what happened is, like, I was expecting it to move further upside, like towards an upper side of 2% or 3%. But then it was struggling around R2 and also making some doji sort of candles. So I thought, like, okay, this is not going to work out, and I exited, though without my TSL getting it. My TSL was placed over here, which is going to be at cost. For example, I entered over here, and then my stop loss was this candle's low. It is same as the cost, but then I exited over here. This is again a mistake done from my side. So that is why I said so. These all things paid off. Bajaj Finance as well as Hero MotoCorp paid bad for me, because I did not. I just exited cost to cost in Reliance as well as in Hero MotoCorp. And Bajaj Finance, I cancelled my order. Otherwise, this day would have been a very, very good day for me. Anyways, the stock or the things, whatever I get, whatever I do, basically does good based on my analysis. So I would request each and everyone to understand on how am I taking the stock. So that will be helpful for you guys to understand and pick the trades. So that's it for me. And if you feel the content is good, kindly give a like. At least please comment in the comment section whether you need the levels or not, whether the content is good or not, something. So that will encourage me also. So that's it for me. And thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.